So for the first one, here we have taken 24 by 16 centimeter, a black chart, and we're going to fold it in center, stick one printed paper on it, and similarly inside also. Then here I have taken 12 by 4 centimeter cardstock, and I'm going to make the center of it, which is 2 centimeter, make a line in between and mark at 4 centimeter and make a cross like this on both the sides. We are going to cut this part, and similarly we are going to make one more like this, fold it from all the lines, and we're going to stick one printed paper on it like this. We have made two like these, and we're going to stick it like this. So like this we have joined it. Now here we have taken 12 by 2 centimeter cardstock. Take one 8 by 2 centimeter cardstock to make the paper more strengthful, and we're going to stick it like this. Now here we have taken 18 by 8 centimeter cardstock, and we're going to join this like this, mark at 10 centimeter, and we're going to join it like this. Like this. Similarly the other one also, and one printed paper in the center and one white chart paper to make it more beautiful, and this ready. Now for the next one, here I have taken 15 by 15 centimeter cardstock and folded as shown. Diagonally we are going to cut it from the center. Now I have taken this printed paper and attached it. These small ones are of 7 by 7 centimeter each, and we are going to stick it as shown, and we are going to fold it in this way. You can use these cards in your scrapbook or project files, and it's done. Let's move ahead on our third. Again I have taken 7 by 7 centimeter 4 black chart paper pieces, and we're going to cut it. Then I have taken this strip of 4 centimeter of the width and mark the centimeter, 1 centimeter at each, fold it and stick all the pieces together. Now cut the excess, and here I have taken one small piece and join it like this in between the center of the strip like this. Take another paper and stick it as shown. It's done. Let's move ahead on our last. So I have taken 15 by 15 centimeter again, fold it from all the sides and all the corners, and fold it in this way. Attach some printed paper on it, and it's done. So hope you enjoyed today's video. Thank you for watching. Like, share and subscribe. Take care. Goodbye.